Hello, I will show you how to add the Excel solver. Yes, I'll show you the steps to step how to go about it. So the first thing, you have to open your Excel like this, and then you'll have to click on File, then click on More here, then click on Options, click on Add-ins, then on Manage. Make sure it's Excel Excel add-ins. Okay, then click Go, then click on Solver. Here, click on Solver add-ins, and then you click OK, and that's how you add your Excel solver into Excel. And here is so you can click it and see how it goes. Now you can be able to do the linear programming here. You can be able to find the maximum, the minimum, and yes, you can find the maximum, you can find the mean, the value of. Yes, thank you. Please subscribe. Thank you.